Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, this is the micro project of VLSI with VSDL subject. The topic of this project is VSDL code for ALU. This project is done under the guidance of Professor Sachin Tupesar. The aim of this project is to develop the VSDL code for ALU. First, we see what is ALU. ALU means Arithmetic Logic Unit. An ALU is an integrated circuit within a CPU which performs arithmetic and logical operations. Arithmetic instructions include addition, subtraction, and shifting operations, while logic instructions include Boolean comparison such as AND, OR, XOR, and NOT operations. While the ALU is a fundamental component of all processors, the design and function of an ALU may vary between different processors models. For example, some ALUs only perform integer calculations, whilst others are designed to handle floating point operations as well. Some processors contain a single ALU, while others include several arithmetic logic units that works together to perform calculations. Regardless of the way an ALU designed, its primary job is to handle integer operations. Therefore, a computer's integer perform is tied directly to the processing speed of the ALU. This is 8-bit ALU. Means we have two 8-bit inputs which are A and B, and we are naming it as A7 to A0 and B7 to B0. To select particular function like addition or subtraction, we give some values to select lines. For 1111, we will perform equal comparison operation. Now we have to write a VHDL code for ALU. So we use here EDA Playground simulator, which is online simulator. To open EDA Playground simulator, click on the first link. Here is the window of EDA Playground online simulator. So first is this main code window, which is design.sv, where we have to write the main code, and second is testbench.sv, where we have to write a test bench code. Now this is a setting panel where we have to do some basic settings. First is language setting. So we select here VSDL for language. After selecting VSDL, in tools and simulator, we have to select Erdic Riviera Pro. After selecting that, we have to click on Open EP Wave after run. This is some basic setting before writing the code. Now we have to write the main code on design v.vhd. Now the main code write-up is done. After writing the main code, recheck all the code once again. Now start the writing of test bench code. Here the test bench code write-up is done. Now we see the main program. The main program of VHDL consists of three parts. First one is library, second is entity, And last part is architecture. Now here we are defining the library IEE by using library and then using all the modules of a library IEE with the help of use. For example, we can include 1164 package by using use IEE dot standard underscore logic underscore 1164 dot all. In this dot all indicate all the modules of 1164 package. Similarly, we have to use unsigned package to perform operation on unsigned numbers, and that can be included by using use IEE dot standard underscore logic underscore unsigned dot all. Here in entity section we have to define all the input and output pins of the design using port statement as ALU having A and B as 8-bit input and ALU underscore SEL select line input 4-bit input and ALL all underscore out and carry out as output. Inside entity, we will write all for description using port syntax. In port, we will define each pin. Here we can see A and B are the input pin. So mode is in and type is standard underscore logic underscore vector. Why vector? Because A and B are having 8-bit pin. So that's why 7 down to 0 which indicates A7 is LSB and A0 is the MSB. Similarly, the select line is the input pin and type is standard underscore logic underscore vector 3 down to 0 because it is 4-bit pin and all underscore out is the output pin. Its mode is out and type is standard underscore logic underscore vector and it is 7 down to 0 because it is 8-bit pin. Please remember that after last statement we don't have to write semicolon but we have to complete bracket first and then write the semicolon which indicates end of the syntax and entity ends with a and ALU where ALU is the name of entity. By using architecture we can define the functionality of the IC. So, in architecture, with the help of with select statement, we will be implementing 16 operations. So, with ALU underscore SEL select, we will select the SEL pin as a choice of the operation. So, we will assigning addition operation when the value of select line is 0000. We will assigning the subtraction operation when the value of select line is 0001. We will assigning the multiplication operation when the value of select line is 0010. We will assigning division operation when the value of select line is 0011. We will assigning the logical shift left operation when the value of select line is 0100. We will assigning the logical shift right operation when the value of select line is 0101. We will assigning rotate left operation when the value of select line is 0110. we will assigning rotate right operation when the value of select line is 0 1 1 1. We will assigning the operation of AND operation when the value of select line is 1 0 0 0. We will assigning OR operation when the select line value is 1 0 0 1. We will assigning the operation of XOR operation when the value of select line is 1 0 1 0. We will assigning the NOR operation when the select line value is 1 0 1 1. We will assigning NAND operation when the value of select line is 1 1 0 0. We will assigning the XNOR operation when the value of a select line is 1 1 0 1. We will assigning greater comparison when the value of select line is 1 1 1 0. We will assigning equal comparison operation when the select line value is 1 1 1 1. For the simulation of the design, the test bench code is very much important, and the code for test bench entity, the component which is similar to the main design. You can see component ALU which is the entity in main code which has same IOs as that of entity of the main design. The main part of the test bench is process, which are defining the different value of input for different time periods. Before starting the simulation, we have to write top entity, which is TB underscore ALU. After writing that, click on run button. It will open the EP-Wave interface in which we can see the waveform. Now, to observe the waveform, we have to go to Get Signals, click on it, then select the entity of the design, that is TB underscore ALU, and click on Append All. Now you can see all the waveforms. You can observe that the value of A is 6 and the value of B is 2. We know whenever the value of select line is 0 0 0 0, it will perform addition operation. Now here the output of this is 8. It means 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Now we see whenever the value of select line is 0 0 0 1, it will perform subtraction operation. So here is value of A is 6 and value of B is 2, then the output is 4. So we are getting the correct output. Our group members are Adit Kumbar, Nafis Khan, Akash Tejewad and Harshada Chavan.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.